Hi guys, welcome back to Haywood's Life, and I'm going to show you guys how to make fluffy slime. So the first thing you're going to need is glue, shaving cream, and an eye drop solution. Something to mix in and something to mix with. Last thing is his opinion, food coloring. So let's get started. So first pour your glue in. Doesn't matter how much glue you use. Then you're going to add your shaving cream. Mix it. Just gonna mix it. Then now you're going to add some solution, eye drop solution. I added like 5 drops. Mix. Then it should start coming into slime. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my eye drop. And you just add, food coloring, you just add 1 drop. Then I start to mix. Then it should start coming into slime. I'll come back when you guys when it's all the way slimy. So guys, it started to come into slime already, if you could tell. So you're just gonna go ahead and keep on mixing. Touch it, you can see if it's still stick. If it's still stick, keep mixing and go ahead and add some more of this. Then just keep on mixing. And add more. I added 2 more drops of this. Add more. Keep on mixing. I'll come back with you guys when it doesn't stick. Okay guys, so it doesn't stick, and that's how you make your own awesome slime. It doesn't stick. And yeah. So guys, don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any questions if you have any down below, and see you guys in my next video.